Hello again. Hi everyone. Welcome today in today's newspaper in today's newspaper of Saturday. Yes, it's Saturday, July the 4th, 2020. We have here One Star Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, and a binary and a tectonic. Total of 6 extra Sudokus to solve. And the first one is a Sudoku with 1 star. And before I start, I always count the digits, the numbers in this puzzle. I'm curious how many. Normally there are 27. So let's see. We have here 4. Here 3 plus 1 is 4 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15. Plus 2 is 17. 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. I'm correct. 27 digits. Numbers are printed in this puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Which number can I use? How about this column, the middle column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. We have here also a 3, so no 3 in that box. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 3 missing numbers in the middle big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7, should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For the numbers 5 and 6, we see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then let me see, which number can I use? Oh, apologies, it's moved the camera. An 8 in this column, an 8 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 2. 1 number left in that column for the number 9, I believe. Yes, 9 is missing. So we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the 3rd row. So in the row between the 2nd row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. Then what about these 3 numbers? The 1 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 4 is missing. The 4 is missing. 1, 7, 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait for more information. How about the number 3 in this row? 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7 and the 8 is missing. 4 and the 8 in the middle row. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. 4 in this column, last column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 8 in this column? 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And then 2. Alright. How about these 3 numbers in this row? The missing numbers here are the 4, the 5, and the 9. I see here the 5 and the 9. So in this box, no 5 and the 9. Here, 1 digit left should be the 4. 5 and the 9 goes in these 2 boxes. Yes. Let me see. So in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4. So no 4 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. We have a 4 in the first column, a 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, the first row, so the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about these 2 numbers now in this big square? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 1 and the 7. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Ooh, let me see. We have 3 missing numbers in the third row. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2 and a 6. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 5 is missing. Alright. So now we have let me 2, 3, 7. 7 and 8. Yes, an 8 in this row, an 8 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle, in the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Two numbers left in this row. For the number 7 and 2, 7 and 2. We see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 7 and 3, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. These 2 numbers are the numbers. I can remember the 9 and the 5. I cannot feel this yet. 9 and the 5. That means these 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and the 3. We see here 3. So no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 number left in the third column for the number 6, I believe. Yes, 6 is missing. Then 9 and 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the 9 and the 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And now, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2, we have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 6 goes there. 3 numbers left in this row. 1 of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. 1 place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 1 number left in the last column for the number 1, and the final number of this big square for the number 5. Finished in 13 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second one. I will continue with the second Sudoku. Is a 2-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.